What's up you guys, it's Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with the idea of following makeup tutorials on Pinterest just to see what Pinterest has to offer. I don't know, it could go really well, it could go really bad, it could go okay, and that is why I'm here to find out today. Really quick before we get started, I want to explain my gymnast thing this year because I don't even know what I was saying in the last video. I barely explained it. But I'm going to be attempting gymnast. I'm literally already late. It's only day 2. But I'm already late, but you know what? I'm just trying my best. I'm really out here. Also, I haven't been doing as many gymnastics videos lately because my knees have been hurting, like from gymnastics. I didn't have an injury. They just like started to hurt out of nowhere. So hopefully my injury gets better and then I'll start doing gymnastics videos again, where I'm actually doing gymnastics. I have all of my makeup stuff here, kind of. There's like some stuff that's not at this house. So we're just gonna have to do the best that we can with what we have. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I have my phone here. By the way, all of the links to the Pinterest post that I'm going to be using are down below, so if you want to go see them, you can. Okay, let me scoot off. That side is bad lighting. Okay, hopefully that'll be good. I'm going to start off with the face, the tutorial on how to do the face makeup. This is what we have. Okay, let me put my hair back. What is my hair doing? Okay. Okay, do you guys see that freaking piece of hair on top of my head? That little section that went to the wrong side, and then I was like, what's wrong with my hair? Nothing's wrong, just put that little piece on the correct side and then it's fine. And you know what? I didn't even notice. And look at that, now it's all messed up. One more disclaimer, sorry if the lighting gets worse throughout this video. The sun is like setting at 4:30 now. Alright, let's start out with the face. Let me get my foundation. I'm gonna start by putting the foundation under my eyes because that seems, I don't know, the easiest or something. I'm trying not to like cover myself, but it's kind of hard. Okay, I think that's good, right? Okay, pretty symmetric, kind of. Pretty symmetric, okay. One, two. I just have one more line for like the contour of my cheeks, kinda. Okay, hopefully that's good. I don't know, I feel like it's too low, but at the same time, I really don't know what to feel in general. Okay, I think that's symmetric, right? Now we need to add the darker contour. God, I don't know what to do. Can I like scratch some off? I just need all the pigment I can get. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Not bad, okay, for what we've got, not bad. Okay, I just gotta make the jawline mark. The nose ones. Oh, I forgot to make the ones on my under my eyebrows. I'll make those. Okay, and then there's marks on the forehead. I'm literally scratching. Sorry if this is unsatisfying to some of you, but I'm like scratching off the powder to get as much pigment as I can. Okay, good. I think that's still pretty symmetric. Now, if the pigment would appear, that'd be great. Can you even see that? I think so. I did the jawline. Okay, this one goes like a little below the eye and then up to the eyebrow. Look how uneven that looks. Wow. Okay, I think that's the best it's gonna get. This is the contoured thing that ended up happening. Let's just see what happens. I think, okay, I'll start at the eyes. This shouldn't be too hard. Camera ended up cutting off and I didn't even know it. So what happened between then and the next clip is I continued to blend out my contour, which was hard because I blended out the liquid one with my beauty blender, and then I blended out the powdered one with a brush, and you just shouldn't be mixing powder and liquid at all. So that was really hard. I feel like it barely even made a difference from my bare face just because I didn't have the right materials. So that happened, and then I started following the eye makeup tutorial, which you will see the picture in the next clip. So I had already done a few steps of that. Now we can continue the video. Okay, I know this is still really bad lighting, but this is genuinely the best I can do because all of my lighting has, all of my house has horrible lighting. I don't have a ring light and it's dark outside. I love winter, just kidding, I hate it. So now we're here, so I guess at the end I'll get in some good lighting. Okay, yeah, so I cut my crease. Now I have to add a mustard yellow color onto it. It's definitely not a clean cut, but hey, it is a cut crease. Okay, I just realized, I'm sorry, you guys are literally right next to this clock and it's ticking. So let me turn it off. Hopefully that's better. Sorry, I didn't realize until now. Okay, there's the orange. Wow, it literally all looks the same. I promise it's not. We have that, we have the purple on, and now I'm pretty sure what happens, the purple just gets darker. Okay, now I'm using this final purple color, which is really dark. Okay, the dark purple has been added on. I'm sure it barely made a difference, but there it is. I literally almost just tried to use my phone as a mirror, I wasn't thinking. Oh my god, this side is literally this side literally looks like an actual mess. Oh my gosh, my dad's calling now. Okay, after that, she cut the side, or I don't know what to call it, but you know, she added concealer there to add that definite line. Okay, I don't know if you can even see that. Should I add more? I'll add a little more. Hopefully you can see that a little more. Let me do that to the other side. I have to add eyeshadow underneath. Purple eyeshadow is underneath. Now the risky move is the eyeliner. I'm so excited for this. Before I do my eyeliner, let's just take a good look at this. Oh my god. It looks way worse on camera. From far away, it doesn't look that bad. Close up, see, that side's better, except for that little part that literally will not blend out. I just gave up on it. Just wanted to get a good look at it before it probably gets ruined with eyeliner. Let's find my eyeliner, and we are going to make the move. Okay. Okay, I spoke too soon. Look at that. That's low-key bad. I mean, yeah, pretty bad. Okay, hang on. The hardest part is just the symmetry. That's at least my problem. Wow, I spoke too soon. Look how uneven that is. Look, this wing is literally twice as big as this one. Girl, she's flying to heaven. Look, oh my god. Yeah, just good thing I got a view of what I had before. Oh gosh. Sorry, my eyes started to burn for a second. Okay, just making sure they're even. Now we add some mascara. I know the makeup artist in the picture had, fake eyelashes, but there's no way I'm doing that, because 1, I don't know how to. 2, I am on a time crunch right now. I literally am just gonna add baby lips tinted chapstick, because I don't have anything else. Okay, now I literally still need to take off the baking powder. What? There was oh my god, I just found a hairball in my makeup brush. That was disgusting. I'm just brushing out my eyebrows because obviously we're not doing them. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Look. Where do I go to get good lighting? I literally can't go anywhere. Okay, this is probably the best bet. This is so bad. And I also literally did not have a good lip color. Should I just take it off? It'd probably look better that way, honestly. I have to do this outro really quick because I have to go, and also I'm running out of storage on my camera. So thank you guys so much for watching me do this full face of Pinterest makeup, I guess. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then next to it turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified when I upload. Next, just scroll down a little bit further, just a little, and comment a future video idea you guys want me to do so I can film it, edit it, and upload for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Look, that actually came off pretty quickly. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.